If your YouTube channel isn't growing, there could be several reasons behind it. Here are some common factors that might be affecting your channel's growth. 1. Content quality. Is your content unique and valuable? Are your videos clear, engaging, and well-produced? Are you uploading consistently? 2. Audience targeting. Are you understanding your target audience? Are your videos aligned with their interests and needs? 3. SEO optimization. Are you using the right keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags? Are your thumbnails eye-catching and click-worthy? 4. Consistency. Are you uploading videos regularly? Consistency is key to building an audience. 5. Engagement. Are you responding to comments, likes, and shares? Engaging with your audience helps build a loyal community. 6. Promotion. Are you promoting your videos on social media platforms? Are you collaborating with other creators or seeking shout-outs? 7. Analytics. Are you using YouTube Analytics to track your performance? Analytics can help you understand what's working and what's not. 8. Competition. Is there a lot of competition in your niche? If yes, you need to make your content stand out. 9. Patience. YouTube growth takes time. Are you being patient and persistent? Algorithm change. YouTube's algorithm frequently changes. Are you keeping up with the latest trends and updates? Solutions. Improve content, focus on creating high-quality, unique, and engaging videos. Optimize SEO, use relevant keywords in titles, descriptions, and tags. Engage with audience, respond to comments, and build a community. Promote videos, share your videos on social media, and collaborate with others. Stay consistent, upload videos regularly. Analyze performance, use YouTube Analytics to refine your strategy. By addressing these factors, you can improve your channel's growth. Remember, success on YouTube takes time, effort, and consistency. Keep experimenting and learning. Rock it!